Good day, everyone. I am Joyce Nicole G. Favorito from Three Shakespeare, and here to teach you how to make a duck, dog, and a fox out of the origami. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half upward. Fold the corners to meet the center line, like this. Turn the item over. Fold the item to the left. Rotate them. Open the left edge, folding the central layer downward to make the head and the ears. Draw some eyes and the fox is complete. And now, this is my finished product. And now, let's go on to my second item, and that is a dog. Now, take a square sheet of a paper. Fold it in half sideways and unfold it. Fold the paper in half downward. Fold the top corners downward to meet the center line. Fold the bottom corners upward, creasing from the side corners to the center line. Fold the upper layer of the bottom part upward. Turn the item over. Fold the side corners toward each other. Fold the item in half upward. Fold the central corner downward. Turn the item over. Fold the top side corners downward slantwise to make the dog's ear. Draw a face of the dog's head is complete. Now, this is my finished product. This is the origami dog. And for the last one, that I will make a duck out of origami paper. Fold the side corners downward to meet the center line. This is what you call the kite base. Now fold the side corners upward to meet the center line. Fold the item in half backward. Go. Fold the right upward inward to make the neck. Fold the tip inward to make the head. Fold the tip inward to make the tail. Expand the item. And at last, I am done with my last item. For the recap, this is a fox, a dog, and a duck. And lastly, I am Joyce Nicole G. Favorito, now signing off.